Yeah, I am. Why?
Okay, don't do that then. It's really hard. Ow. Oh, please. Help me. Abusive. This is so painful. Oh, Marty.
Where did that squirrel go?
It left.
Ah.
Find your pet. Oh my God. It's dead. It died.
Where did it go?
Right there. More hula hooping.
Ah! Please don't hit me in the head. Ah!
Victory hula hooping.
What is this? Is it a snail shell? Yes. Why do you like hula hooping so much? I don't like this. This activity is not fun.